Best weight loss medicines without side effects. Part 2. Another great option is green tea extract. Rich in antioxidants, green tea extract has been shown to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning, especially during exercise. It's widely considered safe, with the main side effects being mild symptoms like nausea or stomach discomfort, particularly in those sensitive to caffeine. Garcinia cambogia is a tropical fruit extract that has gained popularity for its potential to help with weight loss. It contains hydroxycitric acid HAAH, which may block fat production and reduce appetite. Most people tolerate Garcinia cambogia well, though some might experience mild digestive issues or headaches. Conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, is a type of fatty acid found naturally in meat and dairy. It's often used as a supplement to help with fat loss and muscle gain. CLA is generally safe, with side effects typically being mild digestive issues. So there you have it, 5 weight loss medications and supplements that are known for having minimal side effects. Remember, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication or supplement to ensure it's the right choice for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your questions or experiences, and don't forget to subscribe to Weight Loss Tips for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.